Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook grits in the microwave. First, gather your few simple items: quick cooking grits, water or milk, and a pinch of salt. You will also need a microwave-safe bowl that is at least twice the volume of your liquid. This larger bowl prevents boiling over, making the process much cleaner and safer for you. Ensure you have a whisk or fork nearby for stirring. For one serving, measure 1/4 cup of quick cooking grits. Combine this with 1 cup of your chosen liquid, either water for a classic taste or milk for creamier results. Add approximately 1/8 teaspoon of salt to the mixture. Whisk all these ingredients thoroughly in your microwave-safe bowl before placing it in the appliance. This ensures a smooth, lump-free texture. Now, place your uncovered bowl directly into the microwave oven. Cook the mixture on high power for approximately 2 minutes. It is very important to stay close by during this step, as the grits can bubble up and potentially boil over very quickly if unsupervised. This initial burst of heat begins the crucial process of thickening the grits evenly. Carefully remove the hot bowl from the microwave after the initial cooking. Stir the grits vigorously with a fork or whisk for about 10 seconds, breaking up any potential lumps that may have formed. Return the bowl to the microwave and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes on high power. Keep a close eye on them until they reach your desired creamy consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.